Today we're using the sheet metal gauge thickness converter, which converts gauge numbers to precise thickness measurements for different metals. Let's look at the inputs. First, we have a material drop-down menu with 5 options: steel standard, aluminum, stainless steel, galvanized steel, and copper. For this demonstration, I'll select steel standard. Next, we have the gauge number input field where you enter your gauge value. Now for our example, I'll enter 10 in the gauge number field and click Calculate Thickness. The calculator gives us 2 results. First, thickness in inches shows 0.1345 inches. This is the decimal thickness of 10 gauge steel in imperial units. Second, thickness in millimeters displays 3.416 meter, which is the same measurement converted to metric. These values are critical when specifying materials for fabrication, ensuring proper fit with mating components, or calculating structural loads. Notice how 10 gauge steel at 0.1345 inches is relatively thick material, suitable for heavy-duty applications. This tool eliminates the need to reference gauge charts and handles the conversion calculations instantly. Find the link in the description below.